Yes, the election scenario is indeed heating up, and the Aam Aadmi Party's foreign funding has now triggered a massive political fight, with Team Kejriwal crying conspiracy and claiming that it's a witch hunt against them. With the Home Minister now ordering a probe into the matter, the question remains, aren't all political parties equally accountable?
Even as Kejriwal hits the campaign trail to make a memorable debut in Delhi Assembly elections, his party is caught up in a foreign funding controversy.
हमारे पास भी कंप्लेंट्स आ गई है, उसकी जांच हम करा रहे हैं। हम ये जांच करने में थोड़ा सा देर लगता है, क्विक नहीं होता है। ये कहाँ से आ रहे हैं, सोर्स क्या है, किस कंट्री से आ रहा है, वो सब पूरा हमने मालूमात के लिए मिनिस्ट्री को भेज दिया है।
ऑब्वियसली ये लोग बुरी तरह से घबराए हुए हैं। इट इज अ पॉलिटिकल स्टेप। ये जो जांच कराएंगे, पिछले जब अन्ना हजारे का मूवमेंट हुआ तो इन्होंने पता नहीं कितनी जांच कराई थी, हम लोगों की सारी जांच कराई थी।
But a political war of words has broken out, with the Aam Aadmi Party questioning sources of funding of other political parties as well.
Are you behaving like Mr. Shinde's spokesperson?
That is the point.
Let me remind you that you actually belong to BJP.
You are working
the point I make sure that all of you are ready to come under the RTI. Please do explain as to where 2,200 crores of Congress have come from. Please do explain where 952 crores of BJP have come from, and don't hide behind the law which says contributions for less than 20,000 will not be disclosed.
There is a difference between funding of a political party and foreign funding of a political party. They have to answer from which are the sources, which countries this money is coming from.
In October, a petition was filed raising the red flag over the Aam Aadmi Party's funding. And question still remains that if a meeting between the Delhi Chief Minister and the Home Minister last month escalated the fight.
In fact, from day one, my question has been, no money can come into this country without an assent from the Home Ministry. What was a Home Ministry doing till now? That is my question.
But controversy over funding of political parties has once again raked up the question over their reluctance to come under the RTI ambit and disclose financial accounts.
I'd like to ask the Congressperson why they are finding these type of problems with the Aam Aadmi Party. Why, first of all, they are not declaring their source of funds and say that we have received this much of funds and question the Aam Aadmi Party.
Even as most of the pre-election polls have predicted a favourable turnout for the Aam Aadmi Party, it remains to be seen if this controversy will hit the party or turn out in its favour. Bureau Report, Times Now.